Hi, welcome to my video. If this is your first time, I am Robin Kay. I am a Chalk Couture independent designer, and welcome if this is your first time, and if not, welcome back. If you don't know what Chalk Couture is, it is a DIY home decor direct sales company, and today I'm going to be using this A-size transfer. It's called Loveliest Smile, and we're going to put it on this Chalk Couture boutique board and base. And what's nice about these boards is you can put them this way or this way, and they are reusable. Set that aside. And I'm going to be using shimmering copper, shimmering olive, and bark. And since this is the first time I'm using this, and I'm going to mark the back so that I make sure I put it on the right side when I put it back on, because these are reusable. You can use them, they say 8 to 12 times. I know people have used them. If you take care of your transfers, they have used them a lot more. I'm going to defuzz this, and I'm using the terry cloth side of this. You don't necessarily have to use ours. You can use a towel, your shirt. Just fuzzy it a few times. Seems like it's cut it out. And I'm going to place it on this board. And this is our multi-tool. And that's how it turned out. I really like the way it turned out. If you are interested in any of the product, click onto my links below. The items and the information should be below also, and description in the box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Just an FYI, the shimmering olive and the shimmering copper are both out of stock at this time. They are to be restocked by October 2nd, so look out for those. I'll let you know. And the bark is in stock, and this transfer is in stock. And that's how it turned out. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.